And welcome to this video where I'm going to talk through one of the common errors that students make in an assignment. And this is something that I call fact bombing. Now, fact bombing comes from the idea or the metaphor of carpet bombing, which is something that was used in the Second World War and in the Vietnam War. And the idea was if you can't hit a target precisely, just drop as many bombs as you can over the whole area. And the key principle here was that if you drop enough bombs, one of them is bound to hit the target. And this is an approach that students often take when they're writing assignments, not with bombs, obviously, but with facts. They say if we put in enough facts, then one of them is bound to be one that the marker is looking for. And this is bound to get me a good mark because I've shown that I know a lot. And the trouble is, this really doesn't work. It's just not something that works at university. So let's have a look at an example here. So here's an example of something that I've written. Now I've just wrote this out myself. It's not come from anywhere. This can be explained using Erikson's life stages model. Erikson was an American psychologist who moved to America from Denmark to avoid the Nazis. His model says people develop through 8 stages. The first stage lasts from birth to 18 months. In this stage, a child faces a crisis between trust and mistrust. If they manage this crisis, they will develop the character strength of hope. Now, there's lots of facts in there, including some stuff that's probably totally irrelevant to the assignment. But actually, it's just facts. It's not doing anything. It's not going anywhere. There's no analysis. There's no application. So this is not really very effective. Now, if we compare that to this example here, in this example, Erikson suggested that throughout life, people face a series of crises. If a person overcomes these, they will develop character strengths, but if the crisis is unresolved, they will have problems. This model allows a worker to assess what a person is struggling with and use this to see where problems may have originated. The worker can then focus on these, helping the person to revisit and then overcome earlier crises. And what you can see here is that there is very clearly both analysis and application. We're not just giving facts, we're unpicking those facts, we're showing what they mean. And also we are applying them to the topic that the assignment would be about. So the key message here is don't fact bomb, don't just give facts, show some analysis and then apply those facts. Fewer facts applied wisely will always get a much better grade than lots of facts applied poorly.